Although Elon Musk didn't reveal any information yet, we can imagine the new Model S by looking at these beautiful renders created by Valentino Rajan Design. The car presented here comes as a sporty 4-door coupe featuring a very aggressive front fascia with sharp LED headlights and a sculpted front bumper and boomerang style daytime running lights. On the side, we can spot massive 22-inch wheels, flash door handles and a small rear door. At the back, it comes with a raised diffuser, extremely thin LED taillights and a small spoiler which incorporates the third stop lamp. Inside, most probably the design will be carried over from the current Model S, featuring the yoke steering wheel, a massive infotainment touchscreen, and a well-known digital instrument cluster. In terms of powertrains, we imagine this car as having the Plaid setup with 3 electric motors, one in the front for the front axle and 2 in the rear for the rear wheels with torque vectoring system. The total system output should be around 1020 horsepower. Guys, we really don't know when Elon is going to reveal the next generation Model S, but we really hope to see it soon. If you like this video and the channel, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.